Guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I tried to do a process video for my last scrapbook layout, and for some reason my file went corrupt, so I wasn't able to do that. So I did want to share it, so I'm going to come on and just talk about how I put it together. And this is for my little baby girl scrapbook album, and I hadn't done anything Disney yet, so this is the Disney layout. And when I think of babies, everybody does something Winnie the Pooh, so it's a Winnie the Pooh theme layout. And it's very different, it's very simple, but it's what I've done. The back, the 12 by 12 layer is white cardstock. Then I got a piece of black cardstock that is 11.5-inch squared. Then I have cut that in half almost, and these background papers here are 5 1/4 by 12 inches, and my photo mats, the background layer is 4.5 inches, which makes the cream colored layer 4 1/4, which means it'll hold a 4 by 4 photo. And this side is Eeyore, and I've got his title here. And then I have Eeyore down here, and he came out super cute. And I'm sorry, it's not very dark, but it's dusk here, so I'm getting a lot of shadows. But I've done this cute, super cute Eeyore here, and all of my images come from the Cricut cartridge Pooh and Friends. And with Eeyore, on all of his little hair, I've put on glossy accents, and I've got him down here. Now his little tail with the bow on it was supposed to be down here by his foot, but I knew it was going to hang off the page, and I didn't want that, but I still wanted his tail, so I just snipped his tail off and re-glued it up here on his bum. And then I used some of my Nuvo drops in purple and just put those around here all over the page there. And those are two different colors of purple, but they're probably not showing up on camera because my lighting is so poor. And then on this side I did Tigger, and I forgot if I told you, the Eeyore is popped up on foam tape. Here I did Tigger, and Tigger that is behind the photo here is popped up on foam tape, and his mouth is not adhered, so the photo will stick right under there real easy. And then I have Tigger, and then I have, or the name Tigger. Then I have this pretty black ribbon that I have here to hold my sleeping Tigger on, and then I put a little black bow there that matches the ribbon as well. And my oven is going off, so I'm going to pause for just a moment to go check my oven. So that's the left-hand side of my two-page layout. So let me move this off to the side, and I'll bring in the right-hand side. And this one is Piglet and Pooh. And what I've done here with Piglet, all the photo mats are the same size. I've got Piglet laid down flat, and I did this Piglet all on foam tape. And then this Piglet, just his head is popped up on foam tape, and the rest of him is laid down flat, and there's no glue under his cute little legs there. And then I added 3 little pink buttons here, and then this piece I cut to 3 1/4 inches by 12, and then I punch the one edge with my Martha Stewart doily punch. And all of my pages, or all of the papers, are inked with the Memento Flannel Gray ink. And then on this side, I have Pooh. I have Pooh laid down flat. The title Pooh is popped up on foam tape. And then I use some red and white twine here with a piece of blue cardstock, and then the photo frame. And the way I envisioned this layout was the moods of the baby. So I think it is super cute, and it just did my heart good to do a Disney layout. I would have loved to have done an entire scrapbook of Disney, but I decided not to. Maybe another time. But I love doing Disney, and it makes my heart happy to do Disney layouts. So I'm sorry I didn't get to show you the process, but my camera or SD card decided that it wasn't going to work and it malfunctioned. So I just had to kind of go over it and explain it. So this ends my baby girl scrapbook layout series. So I appreciate everyone for watching and all the encouraging words, and I'll do more scrapbook layouts because scrapbooking was my first love, and it's just very close to my heart, and doing this scrapbook made me understand how much I miss scrapbooking. So I'll be back doing more scrapbooks, but I got more fun things scheduled that are coming as well, and I hope you enjoy those too. So take care and cheers.